guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how to earn by selling your yoga mats. So if you have your business of yoga mats and you can sell, so this is the article for you that like marketing guide for selling yoga mats. So let's go without wasting much more time. Let's read out. The yoga community is a strong one. Learn to promote your yoga mats meaningfully in this large and growing market. To help you get customers looking at your expertly designed yoga mats, we'll walk through a handful of considerations for how to actually talk about them. We'll cover who is buying yoga mats, why they're buying yoga mats, what yoga related contents get engagement on social, and finally, we give you some sample captions to help kickstart the copy process. Who's buying yoga mats? I'll start by saying that yoga is for anyone and everyone. There are classes readily available across the world in small, intimate studios as well as mainstream chain gyms. Baseline demographic: mostly young women in their 20s and 30s, health and fitness oriented, disposable income for yoga classes, apparel and gear, looking for stress relief, flexibility and strength, often travelers and appreciate art. Serious yogis seek meditative and spiritual development beyond health benefits. To give you a sense of the market, according to a study done by Yoga Journal and Yoga Alliance, in the US alone, over 36 million people practiced in 2016. That's up from 20.4 million in 2012. And if you're looking at money spent on yoga, the same study says that $16.8 billion was spent on classes, clothing, and yoga gear in 2016, up 175% from 2012 at $6.1 billion. While that study was a few years back, it shows tremendous growth opportunity in a space you can market in. If you want next level knowledge or hyper targeted with your marketing, this is an in depth study of who does yoga and how people think about it. Why do customers buy yoga mats? People generally like to practice yoga on a mat with some grips so they can hold poses that are slippery surface but otherwise make impossible. Below is a list of common opportunities, problems, or times someone wants to buy or replace a yoga mat. Reasons someone is shopping for a new yoga mat. First timer looking for an affordable mat, looking for a cool or cute mat. Current mat is too slippery. Current mat is thinning in hot spots like heels, hips, or hands. Current mat is starting to smell bad. New year, get a new mat. It's a gift. When do people buy yoga mats? It's important to understand the seasonality of a product so you are focusing your marketing efforts in the right place at the right time. One tool we love to use for this is Google Trends. Here's how the search term yoga mats has trended in popularity for the last 12 months. Hover over the graph. The closer the number is to 100, the more frequently people are searching for yoga mats in that time period. The best months to promote are January and February. This is when customers are searching for yoga mats the most. The predictable New Year, New You approach to marketing by almost all brands is particularly relevant to the health and wellness space. Self care or taking care of yourself in any way necessary is fundamental to everything you do. So it's not really surprising that yoga and yoga mats lighting up in these months. The summer months are your next big opportunity. Late November and December for gifting season. How do I promote yoga mats on social media? If you want to tap into the world of yoga, you'll want to be mindful of what the yoga gear gore is generally attracted to on social platforms. Honestly, is a one very big one. Yogis tend not to shy away from challenging life things to really lean into your yoga mat offering. If not a yogi yourself, buy one of your own yoga mats with the most self potential. Then have your yoga going friendship help you create some imagery. Take photos in bright, naturally lit studios or spaces. Speak with honesty and compassion. So that was the article about marketing your yoga mat. So I hope you've understood about it. So it's time to end this video. So let's end this video here. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you.